Hi, this is Ed again. So I prepped the top for Victoria's ring. We want to now solder the the bird's nest and the bezel that's going to hold the stone onto the seat. So let's put some solder flux, some flux around the top. On the edges of the bezel. And let me see, which side did I want? Okay, this one I'm going to solder. Okay, like that. I'm going to warm this up a little bit. And this time I'm going to put easy flow, okay? Oops. Lucky it's all covered, it fell in my water. That's not good. Okay. Since I guess the last 5 years, I learned about the solder paste and I've been using it more frequently. Normally, I would have to try to position little pieces of solder on a flat surface and then try to get it to where it would sit and stay. So when I put the components there, that the components didn't knock the little solder pieces off, and it was a job. I mean, it wasn't all that bad, but because I was used to doing that, but it became a difficult task sometimes to try to put the little pieces of solder onto a flat surface or any kind of surface, and then apply the components on there and hope that those little solder pieces would stay. So the evolution of solder paste has really helped a lot for me. One, it's soft, so when I put the components down, I can position them well, set it down into the solder, know that it's going to seat real good on the seat, and then I can put the other component in there, press it down, and I have to worry about the little solder pieces anymore. Okay, so this is. Gotta remember the stone's going to sit in there, so we want the orientation centered on the seat as much as we can. Press it down so that it's up against metal. Set it there on my third hand. Get a good flame. Start heating it around. Again, you're going to see the smoke and the fire and all the other stuff. Don't be alarmed. That's pretty common. In fact, I'll open my window. See the fire? Fire goes away. Okay, it's starting to solder, set up all the way around. That should be good. It's hot. Always remember it's hot. See? We're gonna let it sit in the pickle for a little while. To look at it, do some cleaning up, polishing, and then we're gonna put it in a tumbler, let it tumble a little bit. It'll work harden all the pieces that it's been soldered, and then do some final sanding and polishing, and that'll be the next step.